Bedford cord. Cord means rassi, like ridges, and there are grooves. ऐसे लंबे लंबे ridges होंगे, फिर छोटे छोटे grooves, and it can be small. जैसे ये ऐसे हो गया रिज, यहाँ हो गया, फिर एक ये हो गया रिज, यहाँ हो गया, यहाँ हो गया, यहाँ हो गया, यहाँ हो गया. It is not that lengthwise they are very long, but they are widthwise they are long, and the float we think. हम सोचते हैं कितना फ्लोट दें, जितना हम फ्लोट देंगे, जैसे ये फ्लोट दिया तो इतनी widthwise रिज हो गई. If we give more float तो it will be a more ridge. तो यहाँ तो रिज आ गई, यहाँ नॉर्मल रीडिंग आ गई. So this portion will be seen as lifted up, then this portion will be seen as lifted up. This will be like plane. तो ऐसा होगा, ये उठा हुआ, ये उठा हुआ. This will be plane. कैसे उठा हुआ, ये देखो, ये उठे, ये this is the weaving I will show you. So this is Bedford cord. Now normal Bedford cord, this I have already explained. This whole thing I have already explained. So first is the normal Bedford cord. Normal Bedford cord. In this normal Bedford cord, if we insert inside it thick yarn between the two layers, these are the two thick yarns inserted. This is the layer of warp. ये normal warp है. We insert thick layer, then this hole will be lifted up. So this becomes another sort. It cannot be said as derivative. It can be said, ये ऐसे we can say this is extension of this to improve this cord effect. Reband cord, what we had studied in plane B, that we insert things. So to give that effect, we insert wedded threads. Wedded means it is between two layers. This is, let us say, straight, this is loose, and we are inserting these particular warps which are thick, and this will make it enhance more. तो ये ज्यादा दिखने लग जाएगा. Then opposite to it, plain face is normal. We will change, if we change the picks, then it becomes Bedford cord on alternate picks. Means here Bedford cord is on first two pick, then it is on next two picks, first two, 3, 5. Alternate means it is on first pick, then it is on third pick. So if we shift this second pick, to third pick, then it will be on alternate. पहले पे हो गया, it is lifted, then it is plain, then it is lifted on third. This is shifted here, and similarly third is shifted to second. Then odd number first, third, fifth pick, seventh pick, alternate picks. We will see a cord effect. And here on second, fourth, sixth, third is shifted to second. So this is what we call as Bedford cord or alternate pick. Then we will be discussing twill face Bedford cord. So let us make out of this. Out of this we will be making now. What we will be making? We will be making Bedford cord on alternate picks. So this is shifted. First remains there. Second is on even end. This is taken to next odd end, alternate. That is third, and third is shifted to second. So we will be making this, and we will be making on, let us say instead of 6, let us make it on 8. Float we are taking 8. LS6, earlier we had taken float of 6, now we will be taking float of 8. So float is of 8. Then two ends are binding ends or plain weave. Then 8, then plus 2 binding ends. So it will be 20. Repeat signs, these are warp. So first you write Bedford cord on alternate. First you write the heading, then you decide number of bars. If it is given there is a float of 6, then you add 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 8, 16. If it is given float of 8, then you add 8 plus 2 by leading end, 8 plus 2 by leading end. So number of bars is 20. Number of weft will always be 4. So repeat size will be 20 into 4. 20 half is 10, then half is 5, 5, then divide it into 2 and 3. This is small size, so 2, 3, 2, 3. This is 2 and it is 3. 2, 3. 5, divide it into 2 and 3. Now this is 2, 3, then 2 and 3. In your notebook, you already have 4 lines. So, ऐसे देखिए 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4 you make a outline of it. 4. These lines are there in your notebook. These lines are there. You just make the border. So this is not made over here. Whiteford code of alternate ticks. The basic structure of this Whiteford code is same as that of plane. First one. Second one is also same as first one. Just we are inserting two bar on one side and 2 bar on another side, or maybe 1 bar. Then this is also a derivative of first plane phase. Instead of 2 chords running simultaneously means instead of 2 chords first and second that we were taking like this. Here see, these are the 2 chords, first and second. Then these are next 2 chords simultaneously, lagatar, one after the other. These are the 2 chords. This is third stage. This is point number 1, A, B, and then C is made. C again, A. This is first step. B. This is second step. We have inserted this, and this is third step. We have inserted plain B. So these are 2 simultaneously, one after the other chord. Then these are 2 simultaneously, one after the other. In case of plane phase Whiteford chord, what we are doing, instead of making this, we are making it in alternate ticks and floating. ठीक है, mark of plane we are also changed accordingly. So plane ends. So the plane end, E and D end, first and last, and the mark of the chord end, up and down, do not join. Right here, do not. If webbed threads are introduced, we are not introducing this. Webbed, if we will be introducing, it will be more difficult. So first we are making, let us fill the chord. Second step I am filling first. Chord, first and third. Chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 was there. Now it is to be filled in alternate, first and third tick. 3 things are to be done. First thing is you make the size, then here leave this. These 2 are binding ends, fill it up. Second and fourth, alternate, on alternate ends. But we have just changed. This was second here, in case of plane we have taken it to third. Now, what was there? In case of plane it was 1 up, 1 down. Up and down do not join. So what was there? Here 1 up, 1 up, 1 up, 1 up. But now this is shifted to here. Sorry. Since this whole is shifted here, यहाँ था 1 up, 1 down, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. So it is shifted. And now similarly here, it was 1 up and the same. Otherwise also you can have 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. If you forget, you can fill that way. But it has shifted. Third is the plane weave we are to fill. Now plane weave in this and this. इसमें कैसे? How it is? 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. Here also it is opposite to this. In this case, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, and opposite to it. This is the plane we have fit. So this is on alternate picks. See, this is the design. So we are not making sectional view of it, because then it is one step more complex. So we are making just on alternate picks. And draft, if you say plane, these ends will be coming on front heel shaft and these will be coming on back heel shaft. Back plan will be same. If you want, I can draw. This will be going in first, second, first, second. This will be going in third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth. Let me write. This will be going in first heel shaft, then plane, second heel shaft, first heel shaft. Because binding ends will be coming in front heel shaft. So first two heel shaft are occupied by this. Then third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth. So we will be needing, for these four ends, we will be needing 6 heel shafts. So let us draw. 10, 5, 2, 3. So this is draft, this is pack plan. So this is first, it will be going in second, this will be going in first, this will be going in second. Binding ends, stitching end. Now, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth. This is now first and second end. First, 2 up. This is first, 2 up. This is second, 2 down, 2 up. Second, or you can say second. Then third is first, third and fourth up. First, third and fourth up. Fourth is first, second, third up. First, second, third up. Fifth is third, fourth, fifth. Second, third, fourth is up. Second, third, fourth is up. And sixth is first, second, fourth. First, second and fourth is up. So this is the design, draft and pack plan. Now we will be making last twill faced. Now this is different from the earlier one. It first was plain faced. It means 1 up, 1 down, plain faced. Now it is twill faced. Now twill weave, as we know, was second basic weave and minimum was 1 up, 2 down. That is, it used to come in 3 warp and 3 weft. So 3 into 2, it becomes 6. So अब instead of coming in 4 picks, it will be coming in 6 picks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Twill phase. Twill. 1, 2, 1 up, 2 down. 1 up, 2 down. 1 up, 2 down. And this is all filled. This is now on alternate picks if you see. Otherwise it should be 1 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down. These 3 should be ठीक है, in first 3 picks, and then it should have been in these 3 next 3 picks. So we shall be making that way also only.
Okay.
So it is 12B. It can be 1 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down, or you see 1 up, 2 down. It can also be 2 up, 1 down. You can fill 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, or 2 up, 1 down. You can fill this. Minimum size is 3 of 12. So 3 plus 3. So number of picks minimum will be 6. Clear? Then second thing is, if we are counting this way, so 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, then we will be having float of either 6 or 9. या तो ये 6 का होगा, then again 2 up plus down, or 9 or 12. If we are having this way, then there is no issue as such. But that is again, it will be completed in 3, then 3. So it will be float of either 3, 6 or 9. So I will be taking a float different from this. This you can see in notes, but I will be taking different. So let me say I take twill weave as the base, that we are filling instead of plain, we are filling twill. Twill we are filling instead of 1 up, 2 down, I will be filling 2 up, 1 down. Base weave. That is 2 up, 1 down twill I will be filling. So 2 up, 1 down is 3 or 6 or 9. 6 it is there, so I will be taking 9. So float will be number of warps. I have taken float of 9, then binding ends will be 2, then float of 9 and binding ends will be 2. 2 are these 2 binding ends, these will be plain weave, 1 up, 1 down, then only it becomes binding. Binding or stitching means 1 up, 1 down, plain weave. So total is 9 plus 2, 11, 9 plus 2, 11, 22. So this is number of warps is 22. Number of weft is 2 plus 1, and weave number is 2 plus 1, 3, and it is 2 times. 1 time float is there and 1 time float is there. Then it becomes 6. So repeat size is 22 into 6. Remember, repeat size is now 22 into 6. This is repeat size 16 into 6. I have increased it to 3 plus 3, 6. So I have taken 22 into 6, another repeat size. Now this is on alternate end. See, second, fourth, sixth, first, third, fifth. I will be taking accumulative simultaneously, one after the other, normal. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So it will be different from this look wise. So draw करते हैं, let us draw it. So repeat size is 22 into 6. I am drawing it. 22 into 6 repeat size. ये सारा ऊपर वाला लिखना है. Now half of 22 is 11. How to make 11? 11 is 5 and 6. So left side is 5. 5 and 6. इसमें 5 में 2 and 3. So 2. This is 2. This is 3. 2 and 3. Half of 6 is 3, and then divide by into 2 lines. So this becomes 11 this side and 11 that side, 22. This 6 lines are there in your notebook like this. ठीक है, that you don't have to draw. So this is 22 into 6. So now I will be drawing. First, let me draw the binding ends, these ends. This is step number 1. 1 up, this is 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. Similarly here, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. Now this is step number 1. This is step number 1. Now step number 2. I have to fill a float of 9. So I will be filling float of 9 in 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Difference is this is on alternate picks. I have a third, and this is now like playing first one. So this is in third. This is step number 2. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8. So this is step number 2. And step number 3 is we have to fill the quill weave. So in this I will be filling quill weave of 2 up, 1 down. I can fill this way or this way also. So I am filling 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. This is one set complete. You can have 2 set or 3 sets. So a repeat of 1, repeating again 2. Then again this is complete. If you see this way, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. This way also it is 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. Either way it is. Here I am filling 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. 3 set of 3, set of 3. Repeat is complete in 3. Then 2 up, 1 down. Sorry, यहाँ से start कर. Anyways, यहाँ ending कर देंगे. Not an issue. जो ये 9th hand था, I have taken here. Let us assume he started from this point.